G'day folks, it is the Aussie Don, Don's Truckspotting Australia. Adventures once again via my YouTube channel of 8 years Australia Worldwide Entertainment. We're now officially into our 9th year day as we've just had our 8th birthday. Anyway, we're here at episode 132 at St. Mary's, New South Wales, Australia for our 3rd adventure of 2026. And we hope you enjoy this latest adventure. Let's get into it. Enjoy. Here we go, we got a Rogers. Beautiful, look at that thing. And we've got a Wallace coming through as well, folks. Here we go. Oh yeah. Douglas there. There goes that Wallace, by the way. There with the company I have done before for Skin on American Truck Simulator. Kenny again. Very nice. Wow. Here comes a nice one. That's that fuel tanker from before. He'd parked up so he can go and grab something at the local Macca's. So, yeah, this is FBT Transwest. This is a company I actually done a skin for on a fuel tanker many moons ago for a truck simulator called American Truck Simulator, currently only on PC. And you can do mods on PC with it, where you can skin trucks and trailers. So I did a combo of this company within the last few years. I'm a skinner for that particular simulator. I do mods, skins, packs, so yeah, very nice one. Bob. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. That's Joe Poo. Here we go. Here's another skin I've done on American Truck Simulator. There's a Wallace. is one of those Magolas again. We had a heap of these on our last time we were here. Here we go. Here we go, we've got a nice bulldog coming up now. Very nice, look at that, very nice. Well, a nice little short and sweet one this time around, folks, here at St. Mary's, New South Wales, Australia. And episode 132 of Don's Truckspotting Australia, recorded on the Monday, the 2nd of March 2026. Please do the right thing. Like and subscribe to Australia Worldwide Entertainment. Turn the notification bell on. Join our over 12,000 subscriber-based family today. I'd love to have you on board. If you're a true fan of trucks, then you're welcome. So that's all we got time for. My name is the Aussie Don, the Godfather, signing off. I come from a land down under, where out trucks, Australia stops, and wave to a truckie. Hooroo. Don's Truckspotting Australia, thanks you very much for watching our latest episode of Don's Truckspotting Australia's adventures in 2026. Like and subscribe to Australia Worldwide Entertainment YouTube channel today. Turn the notification bell on, and we will see you next time around for more trucking here at Australia Worldwide Entertainment, your entertainment destination down under.